The Robo interface is the logic controller with the clear plastic top that we can download programs to. Okay, to start off, let's connect it to power. If we're connecting it to mains power, we need to take our power cable and connect the DC barrel jack to the barrel jack socket on the back left-hand corner of the device, like so. Okay, then you should see the device boot up, and once it's finished booting, you should see the two connection lights flashing. Great. If you're connecting it by battery, first you'll need a battery, and you'll need a battery cable. Okay, to start off, take the red plug and connect it to the battery's plus. Then take the green plug and connect it to the battery's minus. Make sure that the green cable is actually connected to the cable with a little bit of green on it, and make sure that that is the same on the other side. Okay, then connect the green to the minus on the device, this one here, and the red to the plus. You should see the boot sequence happen again, and when it's done, the same status lights should flash. Okay, now let's connect it to the computer. So let's grab our USB cable. The USB socket is on the back on the right hand side, and you can see that the flat bit is at the bottom. So we're going to grab our USB cable and take the flat bit facing down and pop it into our device. Now it's ready to be connected to the computer. If the USB cable isn't already connected to the computer, take the other end of the USB cable, the flat rectangular end, and slot it into the socket on the computer. If you can't find the USB socket, ask a lecturer and they'll help you find it. Okay, so now we just need to load up Robo Pro. So find the Robo Pro icon, double click it, and Robo Pro should load up. Okay, first thing we need to do is figure out if the interface is connected okay. So click the test interface button up here. Okay, and the interface test window pops up, and in the state of the port, the connection should be running. If the box isn't green, if it's red, then we need to figure out what precisely is wrong. So let's try some debugging. Make sure that no programs are running by holding down the program button, the red button closest to the power plugs, until both lights are turned off. If the device still doesn't connect, we need to make sure that the USB port is active on the actual device. Over here we have the connection lights. The top one is USB, the second one is COM, and the bottom one is infrared. Right now COM is selected, so it will not connect to the computer. Press the port button until either the lights scroll through the devices automatically, or that USB is manually selected.